Good morning, Slime Pat Nation. Truckers, did y'all wash yet? Did y'all get up and make y'all bed up? Hold on. I was just sitting on my bed. Come on. Don't play me like that. Yeah. Did y'all make y'all bed up? Fold your cover? Did y'all do anything this morning? But I'm gonna leave y'all truckers alone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. Y'all, today is gonna be a good day. So let's get this day started. My day been started. I've been up since about 3:50 a.m. I got a video edited, and I'm uploading a video. About to get out of this truck. Go eat some breakfast at Waffle House. Get me some coffee. I'll call these people in a little bit to see if my load is ready. If it's ready, then we're gonna hit 95 and take it all the way towards home, because I can't deliver this load until like 12 o'clock tonight or 11 p.m. I hope it ain't no wait. I don't feel like waiting. Hello. Hey, how you doing? Alright, so I'm out of there. Breakfast was pretty good. But I'm ready to hit the road. I'm ready to get out there in the field.
For frozen, press 1. For produce, press 2. For customer service, press 1. For the Walmart back office, press 2.
I guess 2. Could I check on the status of a load?
Yes, ma'am. We have not officially started opening yet. Can you come back around your appointment time?
Okay then, thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that, y'all. Been off duty for, it's about to be 24 hours. Y'all can't see it, but it's like 23:59. About to go on duty for my pre-trip and finally get up out of here. I don't need no fuel. I don't need no coffee. So yeah, let's go get this pre-trip done. I think I need to add some more washer fluid though. That's about it. I hate, like, whenever I get ready to do my pre-trip, open my hood and stuff, everybody be looking at me like I'm performing magic or something. Like it's something wrong with doing a pre-trip. Now, if it was like a old school truck and the guy was out here doing a pre-trip, they wouldn't even bother looking at him. Like, just because I got an automatic and I'm doing a pre-trip, y'all, ain't nothing wrong with that. Those of you that's like, you know, been watching my channel, y'all know I recently got my truck back from Peterbilt. And I told them what I had been hearing. They was like, everything is fine, the suspension is fine, the rods, everything is fine. Everything got greased up, you know, everything is freshly greased, but I still hear the noise that I was telling them about. And don't worry, that ain't nothing leaking. I just dropped some coolant. But it's coming from my left side. But they say that everything sounds good. It's like whenever I turn to the left, I hear like some kind of popping noise. If I remember, I'm gonna try to add the sound inside. Wait, why is that right there? Okay. But yeah, if I remember, I'm gonna try to add the sound somewhere in this video. I was supposed to add it in my other video, but I forgot. I'm gonna sit my camera right here and try to turn the wheel to see if y'all can hear it. Y'all, so I had got a message from Prime, and it was some other fleet manager. He told me he covering for my fleet today, and my fleet manager ain't tell me nothing about he wasn't gonna be here. So my load don't deliver until basically tomorrow, which is a Saturday, and I know how it's gonna go. They can't find no freight. They can't find me no load to get me back home because my home time is set for Monday. And you gonna wait for me. So what I'm thinking is, after I deliver this load, I'm going home. Hold on, I'm interrupting this video to give y'all the details of this load because somehow I forgot to tell y'all the details of the load. So the empty miles is 4, the loaded miles is 367, which would bring the total to, of course, 371 miles, paying $1,159. Now, it will be a drop-and hook at the pickup location and a drop-and hook at the drop-off location. I do have a full, like a 24-hour window to drop this load off. Will I drop it off? Will I stop by home? Who knows? I don't know, because in order for me to deliver this load, I got to pass by home. But I can't deliver this load early, so I will have to, you know, stop somewhere, pause my clock, take a break. Who knows what I'm gonna do? I mean, I don't know. But yeah, that's the details of this load. Y'all like this video? Leave a comment down below and make sure you subscribe. So I done arrived here to my location. Let me do my arrival on the app. Low temperature, I think 57. Drop trailer, no. I hope my load is ready. Please be ready.
Now, if you're looking for the manna and you're going through the conflicts in the dry desert, He has for you in all your fullness. You learn that by getting in that fellowship and go. You learn to worship Him day by day, hour by hour, moment by moment, because you are the temple of God.
Already got my pen. Dropping our trailer in spot 317. Come on, yard guy. Spot 3 So once Hirschbach move out the way, that's the spot I'm going to. Because they in spot 316. Just a little bit. Okay. Ooh-wee. Slow and steady. Oh, I was about to say, I forgot I'm supposed to be putting fuel in there, but it's a little above 3/4, so we good. Let me see what the inside of a Hirschbach trailer look like. Okay. So I done got my paperwork, and y'all wanna know what's crazy? They literally just got done loading it. And so happened, I'm parked right beside my trailer. It's still in the door. And I looked at the paperwork. They got the time on there that they finished the paperwork, and they finished it at 11:57. So basically like about 10 minutes after I arrived here. So that's perfect. It still got a red light on it though. Better give me a green light. You got the freaking landing gear all the way in the ground. still got the plate down, but the door is closed. I don't know if that yard guy waiting on me to move or what. Cause he just been sitting there with the trailer open, and before I got over here, he was like, "You going to get that trailer out of door 105?" I'm like, "I don't know, man." But yeah, you better come say something. There's another dock door over here open. Other dock doors open. Don't be rushing me. A load of bananas. I ain't even slim my tandems. Let's get up out of here. That looks like I'm in either the 5th or the 6th hole. I don't know. Well, Slime Pad Nation, y'all really didn't get too much more recording because after I picked this load up, I stopped by the truck stop, but I headed straight to the Sheets in Fayetteville, and I parked and I took my 10 at home. I was gonna just pause my clock for 2 hours, but I said, you know what, forget it. I'm about to go home. I'm about to go out to eat, go home, shower, sleep in my bed, and then just deliver the load early in the morning. Now, they did send me another load because, y'all remember me telling y'all they hadn't sent me nothing, so I'm guessing this would be my load home. They actually sent me another load, and it was going to pick up in Virginia, and it was going to deliver all the way at a Walmart in South Carolina. But it's like, once I get in the mood of being home, I don't care how much the load pays. I'm going to stay home. So I declined that load, and basically this right here, it really is my load home. On the next video, y'all will see me deliver this load, dropping off my empty trailer, everything, that I need to do to prepare myself to go home. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I will see y'all on the next trucking vlog.